Now, I've previously used Durable for some of my own projects and actually already made an in-depth tutorial about it. So in today's Durable review, I'm going to give you guys an honest insight if you should actually go for the Durable website builder. Now, I will leave you a link to Durable down below, and I think I do have some special code which is going to give you guys a discount, so I'm also going to leave that down below. Either way, what you can see right here is going to be the Durable dashboard. Now, Durable is an AI website builder which actually also offers you some other great features like a full-on CRM, invoicing, an AI blog builder, an AI brand builder, and a lot more. Now, when looking at the site, let's actually open this up. One thing which I really like is that obviously as this is an AI website builder, you don't really have to know anything regarding coding. Rather, this is fully basically generated by AI. You can see what I basically cooked up within a couple of minutes in my tutorial. This would just be a random example. And as you can see, when I'm going to click on edit website, we are then actually also going to have the option to fully customize this. For example, we can restyle this right here if we do want to. Something like this does look nice. We can actually regenerate the images, and essentially you can just leverage AI to do almost anything right here, which I really like. I really like Durable because it is an AI based website builder, so everything is pretty easy to get around. Their whole interface is super intuitive, and you will just have to click on the elements which you want to edit, and then you are going to get all of the different settings on the right. You are also going to get in-depth customization options, like for example, you can change the colors, fonts, button styles, or you can actually also fully regenerate the site if you do not like how it looks. Now, when talking about Durable, it is also important to notice that there are some other features to it. So there is, for example, the marketing feature where you can actually let Durable generate posts for you. This is going to, for example, look something like this. I think this is a good feature, don't get me wrong. However, I don't really see myself using this in a day-to-day life. However, one thing which I really like is that they do have a CRM. So this right here would be an example contact, and right here we can then see all of the recent emails, recent contact forms, and so on. And attached to the CRM, they do also offer an invoicing features, which means you can just select a contact and you can then automatically send out an invoice. So now when looking at the pricing, you can see that you do have a starter plan, a business plan, and a mogul plan. Now, if you are just starting out, I wouldn't recommend the mogul plan, rather go for either the starter plan or the business plan. And when actually comparing this to other website builders like Wix, for example, the pricing is actually pretty affordable given all of the features which you are going to get. Also, something which is nice to keep in mind, Durable does actually offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So is Durable a good choice for you? Well, yes, if you are looking for an easy-to-use website builder and if you do not want to do any of the heavy lifting on your own. However, if you're looking for a more customized option with some more features, then you can actually go for a tool like Webflow. Keep in mind that these tools are going to require way more technical knowledge, and therefore I think Durable actually is a super good choice if you just want a website that looks good. Either way, I will leave you a link to Durable as well as Webflow down below. I hope this video helped you with making a choice. You can always just get a Durable account and test it out on your own.